everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Antoniadavis. If you're new, welcome. It's been a while, you guys. It's been a while since I sat down and filmed. I honestly was waiting for, you guys already see the title by now. The package was supposed to be here early last week and I didn't get the package until today, and that's why I'm filming at 1 o'clock in the morning. I was so excited to film my review and give my first impressions of her collection, but because the collection has been out for a couple weeks and you guys have already seen, you know, full swatches, full swatches, I feel like I'm saying that wrong, swatches, but I feel like you guys know what I'm saying. But you guys have already seen all of that, so today I'm just going to try to use as much of her collection as possible and give you guys my opinion on it. And yeah, enough with the rambling, let's just get into the tutorial. I already did my brows and I used some new products for my brows, so I'm filming a new brow tutorial for you guys that should go up middle of next week, so stay tuned for that. To prime the eyes, I'm just going to take the Colorpop No Filter Concealer. This has been my go-to recently. This is in the shade 40 Golden. Okay, so now that we primed the eyes, we're just gonna go in with all of the goodies. So I did buy the entire collection. If you guys haven't seen the collection or you're not familiar or how many pieces come in the collection, you do get her Perception eyeshadow palette, 3 lipsticks, 2 of her loose powder highlights, and then she has a lip gloss. So this is what the palette looks like on the inside. You get a total of 16 shades. I feel like the shades are a very good range of shades. So you have like your mattes, you have your transition shades, you have your pops of colors, you have your neutrals. So I feel like you can really do any kind of look with this palette, and I like those kind of palettes. I also forgot to mention, I love that there's a huge mirror in this palette. I like traveling with palettes that have really large mirrors. I feel like it's a lot easier to do your makeup with. Vice versa, using like a super small mirror like this one. So I really like that there's a really huge mirror in here. Well, first we're gonna try to start off with this shade right here. This is the shade Culture, and we're going to use this as our transition shade. So I'm just gonna pop this right in the crease. This is a Luxie 205. So I'm just going to take the shade Thick and I'm going to apply that right under where we applied Culture. I feel like these shadows are very easy to blend out as far as the mattes go. That color is really pretty. I'm going to take this shade right here on the palette. This is the shade Revenge. And I'm going to apply this right into this outer third. I'm kind of just packing this color on because it's a darker color. I'm going to go back in with the first brush we were using and pick up on Culture and Thick and blend these out a little bit now that I have the color where I want it to go. Now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and just go along the edges. So I think I'm going to start off with Spill the Tea right here, which is really pretty. It's like a champagne-y color, and I'm going to pop this in the inner part of the lid, the inner third. I am going to wet my brush just because I do that with any shade I put on the lid, and I'm just going to apply this right. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. This is so pretty. I did not expect it to be this pigmented, you guys. Now we are going to take Strut and Slay. It's like a deeper champagne-y color. I wouldn't say champagne, but it's definitely a deeper rose gold color. The same thing, get my brush wet. And I'm just gonna apply this right here. These colors are so pretty. Look at that. I'm going to kind of mesh the two together. These shades are so beautiful, and I hardly have any fallout either. Like, hardly any. I don't even know what I want to do. Like, I kind of just want to leave it this way, but there's really pretty shade in here called Shade. I think I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of the eye, just to add a little bit more dimension. I'm not going to take it too high. Now we are going to take the shade right here, Unbothered, and I'm going to use that to highlight underneath my brow. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera. Okay, our face is complete. So now we're just going to move on to the rest of the collection. I'm just going to go in with the shades Culture and Thick right here, and I'm going to start by working that onto the lower lash line. Now I'm picking up a pencil brush. This is by BH. Pick up on the shade Shade right here, and I'm gonna apply this right to the outer third of the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna pick up on Revenge and Shade together, and I'm gonna use that to blend out the purple. I'm going to use this eyeliner brush. This is by Bobbi Brown, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to go in with Spill the Tea right here. Now I'm going to pick up on Strut and Slay. I'm going to apply that right in the middle here. And then to brighten up the inner rim, I'm just going to go in with the Benefit Cosmetics. This is their Highbrow. Now I'm going to go in with her loose powder highlights. So she came out with 2 shades. So this is the shade Boomin'. It's a pretty gold color, which I feel like this shade right here would be pretty on all skin tones. Vice versa, Posy, I feel like this would really only work for deeper complexion. You could always use this as an eyeshadow. I feel like this would look really pretty as an eyeshadow by itself. So today I'm gonna have to use Boomin' because of course this shade right here I feel like is gonna be a little bit too dark for me. Ooh, yeah, that's gorgeous. Ho, 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 ho. That's too much. You don't need a ton. If you know Shayla, she likes to glow, so I'm not surprised. Take a smaller brush and do the nose. Like, these are so pigmented. I really want to do an inner corner highlight. Oh, that's gorgeous. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply these Dash Lashes and Drama Queen and some mascara, and then we'll be back to finish up the rest of the face. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the lips. So in the collection, she has 3 lipsticks. She has 1 lip gloss. This is the shade Ooh. This is Come On Sis, and this is Quickie. I definitely think I'm probably going to go in with the shade Quickie today. This definitely looks a lot more neutral, but when you put it on, it's definitely like a, not neutral, it's like pink, like a pinky nude. So we're going to go over it with Come On Sis, and hopefully that, yes, a lot better. These are my least favorite in the collection, just not because I don't think that they're good. I just don't like the colors of these. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Ultra Lip Gloss. Okay, you guys, so this completes the final makeup look. Overall, I really liked the collection. The only things that I weren't a huge fan of are the lipsticks. Not because they weren't good, they are not my typical shades that I gravitate towards. And the nudes were a little bit too light for me, at least in my opinion. But overall, like I said, I did like the collection. I just wasn't a fan of the lipsticks. But yeah, that completes this makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you in my next video.